In this video, you will watch a demonstration of how to troubleshoot and repair RAID 1 for a RAID array using NVMe SSD drives on a Lenovo P620 AMD ThinkStation. If your RAID 1 configuration is experiencing performance issues, it may be due to a failed drive. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and repair your RAID configuration. Reboot your ThinkStation P620. Repeatedly press F1 to enter BIOS. Select devices. Select RAID Expert 2 Configuration Utility. Select Array Management. Select Manage Array Properties. Select the RAID Array, Array 2 from the menu. The broken array will show as critical. Select View Associated Physical Disk to see which disk is no longer detected. The drive no longer working will show as removed physical disk. After replacing the broken drive, go back to the Array Management. Select Manage Array Properties. Select Manage Dedicated Hot Spares. Select the new replacement drive. Click Add Hot Spare Physical Disk, and then select Confirm, and then Yes. The rebuild time depends on the capacity, but it should still be usable. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.